and welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time that you've been to my channel, subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe, guys. Like, seriously, it really helps me out, especially because of my small subscriber count. And yeah, you know, I think that you will definitely have fun around here. I want to show you. This is such an old, like, what is it? It's an old, gosh, what is that store called? Okay, literally, I was so sure of where this shirt was from, and it's so weird right now because when I looked at the back, it says made in Vietnam. Weird, eh? I got this, I can't even remember where I got this shirt, but it's like, got the pink symbol on it, like love pink, and I know there's a store that doesn't matter. Oh my gosh, get into the intro. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sweetie Pie, and today we are going to do something so exciting. I am going to be reviewing the Urban Decay and Kristen Leanne palette. Yay! I absolutely love Kristen Leanne, and if you are watching this, I love you, girl. You are the reason why I can be strong about being like kind of different. There's a lot of beauty YouTubers, and I really do not see a ton of like different ones, like Jay Kissa and Kristen Leanne, of course, and yeah, like I'm sure there's more, but regardless, you are the girl that I'm like, hell yeah, I'm gonna rock my red hair. Anyway, I've had like blue hair and green hair and purple hair, but I like the red hair right now. Anyway, guys, today we are going to review this palette. We're going to do swatches. I didn't do a look for this palette, but I have something else in mind for this palette. Next week, I'm going to do a get ready with me with all of the makeup that I have been reviewing for the past little bit and kind of give you guys a feel for how I feel about it now. Alright guys, so if you want to see a look, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the video. So, the first thing I'm going to talk about is a little bit of details. If you want to skip this, I am going to put the swatches right here. That's where they start, so do not think you have to watch this whole bloody video. I have taken some notes on how much this product is and all that kind of stuff, and I want to tell you a little bit about Kristen Leanne as well. I am going to read a little synopsis off of my phone. I did find this on Famous Birthdays, so I'm hoping that this is completely 100% correct. And yeah, so let's hope that it's correct. Some of the numbers might not be completely correct because I think she has way more than 500,000 subscribers, but I'm going to read this anyway. Hopefully there's no craziness. So her birthday is December 12th, 1988. That makes her 29 years old. I'm 28. Hi. Her birthplace was San Diego, California. Oh, you're so lucky. She's an advocate for cruelty-free beauty. I know that for sure because I love her for that. Liv Loves Makeup is another girl that I absolutely love for that. I don't really know if I have a ton of cruelty, like not cruelty-free makeup, but this palette is obviously cruelty-free. All right, and so let's go through here. With publishes beauty, hair, fashion, and fitness content to her popular self-titled YouTube channel. In 2014, she founded the vegan and cruelty-free Arctic Fox Hair, and she is also a partner at cruelty-free Plur Makeup and Rux Cosmetics. She launched her YouTube channel in October 2009, but did not begin posting makeup tutorials until 2014. She partnered with Collective Digital Studio. She is also a print and editorial model, as well as a music video actress. She married Ryan Morgan on May 8th, 2015. She uses Kat Von D cosmetics lines as a I don't know. Oh, and then they show her that she uses Kat Von D's cosmetic line as a tutorial for a rusty smoky eye. That, like, because she's associated with it. Oops. And yeah, it just goes on and on and on. I don't know if all of this stuff is correct. I'm assuming it is. But I can tell you right now, she's an amazing YouTuber. She is just an amazing person. She is so different and so inspiring to me, especially as someone who really enjoys being different, wearing, you know, intense eye colors and, you know, dyeing her hair as many colors in the rainbow as I can, and wearing interesting kind of clothing pieces and all that kind of stuff put in together. And it's really because of those types of people that make it somewhat socially acceptable. I'm like not the bravest person in the world, so having someone that is kind of like doing it with me and I can look up to is really good for me. All right, so we're gonna go into the palette. I bought the palette because this was the like centerpiece, I think, of the entire collection. If I can find a picture, I will insert a picture right here of the entire collection in itself. There's another eyeshadow palette that is a neutral palette. There is also a highlighting palette, and there are like a couple lip colors, and then there is another single eyeshadow on urbandecay.com. Here's the picture, hopefully. So yeah, hopefully I can find a picture there. So yes, I bought the Kaleidoscope Dream palette, and it retailed for $50 Canadian. You can find it at Sephora or urbandecay.com. It has 11 shades in it, 2 are matte and 9 are shimmers. The grams are all over the place for this. So I'm literally just gonna look off my book, and here is the inside of the palette. You'll also see it when I do swatches, but the outside of the palette is this really cool design. I remember when Kristen was talking about it, she was like saying they made, I can't remember, I think she said nail polish. I think she said nail polish for this one, I'm pretty sure. And they made this like really cool design on the front, and this almost looks like one of those lights they hang in stores, the writing, because it's got the pink on the outside and the really bright on the inside. And then as you open it up, it has a really large mirror, and these are actually jellyfish on the packaging. And then it says stay gold, of course, and then you have your shades. And this is where you can tell that, of course, some of these are not going to weigh the same as others. You also get, you also get this dual-ended brush, which comes in most palettes, but this one is a little bit different. This one, again, says stay gold. Where are we going here? Oh, right there. It says stay gold. Then you have a really fluffy brush on the end of this, which works amazingly. It doesn't work great for shimmer shadows blending, but for matte shadows, it's a dream. And then on the other hand, you have a very small pencil brush, which I liked, but I didn't like. I didn't really like it for going under the eyes. It wasn't super, like, it's a little bit too dense for me. I'm sure I could totally do it, but it was a little bit dense. But what I did love it for was doing this halo eye and really packing it on the outer corner. That was something that I really found was good, or like a way I could purpose this. Anyways, so we're gonna go through here. Now, my favorite colors in the palette are definitely Leo, TCW, TRM, and Dye. So I'm just gonna point those out. This is Leo. It is the one side of the half split pan. Then we have these two blues, amazing, and the purple. I can't pick a favorite because honestly, the Lime Time is amazing. Spitfire is great. Like, all of these colors are really pretty. So Leo and Brixton are 1.5 grams each in the split pan, 1.8 for the pink and the orange, 1.3 for the rectangular pans right here and right here, 1.1 for the black, and 0.5 for the green. The green is the green is the smallest shadow right there. It is paraben-free, cruelty-free. It is not vegan. It does have carmine and also ultramarines if you are sensitive. The eyeshadows are made in the US. They're assembled in the Dominican Republic, and the brush is made in China, for anyone that was interested. All right, guys, let's go into the swatches, and then I'm just going to talk a little bit about the palette and how I created this eye look today and how I've been enjoying these shadows. Alright guys, so those swatches, I know, amazing, freaking, oh my goodness. I like this palette. It is really nice. I'm gonna say that this is like a really favorite, and it doesn't have a crap ton of options either, so I can like put things together a little bit easier. One thing I am going to mention is Leo and Kristen. If you can't tell, I've made quite a dent in those shadows. They are extremely soft, like really soft. And this one, is it Corona? Yes, it is Corona. This is like a pink with oh, it's hard to explain. It's not the normal like bronzy shade. It actually has some pink shift to it, which makes it really, really cool. Like, it's a really different type of bronze. She didn't just like throw in any bronze. As well as Stay Gold, it is a very yellow gold, very yellow. So it almost looks like a yellow as well as a gold. All of these, like, oh my gosh, they're buttery, they're creamy, just like Urban Decay shadows are always, and the two mattes are very buttery and pigmented as well. Like, the black is something to be proud of. I really love this palette. I have done quite a few looks, and if you go on my Instagram, I always post looks. Usually they're a week like behind, so sometimes you have to wait for the looks that I create with these, but I did create this look today. And what I actually did in this look, and I'm just kind of looking in the viewfinder if you notice that I'm not looking right at you, I took, and then I'm going to grab names, so I had a few of the Essence eyeshadows that I threw in the crease just as a base. Then I took Tagine and I put that in the crease, and then I also took Dye and Spitfire, which are the purple and the pink, and I made a halo eye out of them. Then I took LCW and I put it on the lower lash line, as well as Leo in the inner corners. That is that really beautiful blue shifty color, and I also brought it down along the lower lash line, and it created this look that I have here today, which I really love. Every look I come in with these blues and the pink, oh, it's amazing. I really do like this palette. I think that $50 is really like pretty worth it for something that Kristen Leanne worked on so hard. Like, when you hear her in her video, she is so dedicated, and I love her so much. She has the power of like a freaking lion. I love it, and I really hope that, you know, people actually, you know, go out and purchase this palette because it's just beautiful. She also has a neutral palette if you're not into like really like extravagant looks. She does have a neutral palette as well, and I strongly suggest that you pay her some homage. If you do not know who she is, you like, you know, and you do not like Urban Decay shadows, or, you know, you don't have $50 for a palette, go check out her channel. I'm going to try and remember to link it down in the description box so that you guys can go check her out, because honestly, like, I feel like she should be up here doing this video. She did do some videos about this palette, but I did want to say I love it. I think you are an amazing person, Kristen, and I cannot wait for all the future collaborations that you come out with. I love it. Yeah, guys, that's all I can really say about this palette. I think the shadows are great. Like, honestly, like, come on. If you are a color lover, you're gonna love this palette. And yeah, like, not the neutral person's dream. There is a bronze and a gold, and like the orange and black are neutral, but mostly you're gonna love this because it is a kaleidoscope dream. So yeah, guys, I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Do not forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, because I am going to be doing a look with the Kristen Leanne palette and one other palette that I did review not too long ago. Make sure you guys, you know, slap a like on this video, because that will tell me that you guys enjoy my reviews, and I love you guys so much. Mwah, 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 and have a wonderful day. Oh, and by the way, the videos that are popping up, go check them out. Check this one out. Check that one out. Check this one out. Subscribe to my channel. All right, guys. Bye.